Geometry students, we're in section 6 of chapter 1. We're going to be doing midpoint and distance in the coordinate plane. This is going to throw us right back into algebra again. We learned this approximately mid-year of your algebra year, and then we reviewed it again right before the state test in May. So some of this is going to look real familiar to you. The midpoint formula, if you ever want to find the location of a point that is exactly halfway between two other points, then you're going to use the formula that you see under the box midpoint formula. Here it's labeled M. M stands for midpoint, and all you got to do to find your x coordinates, add your x's together, divide by 2, and then add your y's together and divide by 2, and you've got the name of that point. So I'm going to show it to you. I think you're going to remember this. I really don't think I need to belabor this point. So we are to find the coordinates of the midpoint of CD. So here's CD. C is -2, -1. D is 4, 2, according to our drawing and according to what was given here. They also drew it out for us on some graph paper. And we have to calculate the midpoint, okay? So to do that, what we're going to do is, let's start with the x's, okay? I'm going to circle the x's. We're going to take -2 plus 4, and then we're going to divide that by 2, okay? So let's do some basic math in our head. What's -2 plus 4? Correct. That is 2. What's 2 divided by 2? 1. Good job. So we know that our midpoint's going to fall wherever x is 1. And now our y's, what we're going to do here, I'm going to double underline our y's. Now we're going to add our y's together and divide by 2. So our y's are -1 and 2. So -1 plus 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5 or 1/2. And so the halfway point between C and D would be at 1 and right here, okay, where I've bubbled in. So there's our midpoint right there that we just calculated. We mathematically calculated it. Sometimes if they give you the drawing, you may be able to see it. Other times, like this one, we're looking for precision more than for guessing. You know, that's good for hand grenades and horseshoes, basically, but not in math. So let me let you do the check it out. Practice that midpoint formula one more time. We did it, you know, in May. We also did it back in, you know, November, December-ish time frame. So practice that midpoint formula. I bet you're going to do a great job. Set it up, and you might be able to do it mentally. Just be careful doing a lot of mental math. Do write some things down so I can catch your error, because I have no idea where you went wrong. All I can say is your mental math was wrong if you do it mentally. So be careful.